Hey guys, welcome to another vlog day. I just wanted to show you something. I was sitting here working on the vlog, getting it ready to upload for the day, and well, we looked outside and it was fine, but all of a sudden I look out again and this. Yeah, you really can't see anything because that's really not the window fogged up. That is actually blowing snow all over the place. Snowing really bad.
Oh my god.
It's blowing all over the place, and Christina's on the phone freaking out about the snow.
Oh my god, Harmony, you can't even see out our back window at all anymore.
And the kitties are just like, dude, what's going on? Here, I'll give you a quick look at out the front window. See if it's any better out here. Oh, look at that. That's what's happening outside right now. You can't even see the street. So, hope the weather's better where you guys are at.
It's one of those days. We've been having a really bad snowstorm. It actually lit up again, or light up. As you can tell, we got a lot of snow. But we're just sitting here chilling, relaxing at the house. We just came back from the store to get some food just in case. Oh, baby girl. Real?
You want to say hi?
This is my baby girl, as you all know. I say, put me down.
And this is her baby boy, as you all know.
He's not my baby boy.
Okay, just a baby.
This is my lovey.
Yeah.
But, staying in the house today, so, well, as of now.
Hey.
And, well, we'll get you more later. Hey everybody, surprise. Harmony.
Yeah, hi.
Surprised us. We're over here. There's TJ and there's Xavier. Those two have gotten really big. And then there's Mama, Angel, and the other two are around. They're probably in the bedroom with Alan. But we came over here to spend the night. We got a long day tomorrow. Came over, we did some laundry. And, well, we'll explain everything tomorrow on what we're doing. So, we're here for the night now. They called us because Harmony was going to pick us up tomorrow to come over, but with the snowstorms and everything we've been having, we didn't want them to really waste much gas, so they came and got us tonight. Came over, we're spending the night over here, and we forgot to set up the camera to see what the girls do when we're not home. But I guess we're going to have to try that another night. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to end the vlog tonight. So, if you liked...
give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. And... good luck. And, last but not least...
Careful.
Careful.